Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video tutorial we will learn how to disable notification on Microsoft Edge Chromium browser on your Windows PC. So for this guys, first you need to open the Edge browser on your PC. After opening, on the top right side corner you can see three dots. Just click on it and here open the settings. In the settings guys, on the left panel you can get the option cookies and site permission. Just you need to open this, and in the right panel just scroll down. Here you can get the option notification. Just open it, and here you can get the option ask before sending recommended. Just you need to disable this option. That's it. Now in future you don't get any notification from the Microsoft Edge Chromium browser on your PC. So that's it for today guys. This is a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.